Hello class third, you all are welcome back again in your computer class. Hope you all are revising your chapters properly, and if you have computer, you are doing practical on it also. In today's class, we are going to start another very interesting topic, chapter number 4, MS World 2019. So in this class, we are going to study about MS World यानी कि Microsoft World 2019. बच्चों जब ये आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड सुनते हो ना, सो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने कंप्यूटर की पूरी लाइफ ही इनहांस कर दी है। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट जो एप्लीकेशन है, जो सॉफ्टवेयर है, इसने बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज को ग्रोथ किया है, बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ने जन्म लिया है ना। वर्ल्ड 2019 is a word processing application in Microsoft Office suite. Word 2019 allow you to easily create professional looking document using various item, visual design, formatting tools, sharing features and more. So बच्चों MS Word के बाद documents आप बहुत easily बना सकते हैं, official documents, and it is very much used in business offices because it has so many facilities, it has so many elements in it. World 2019 has a feature called Learning Tools that can help make the text easier to read without making permanent changes to your document. And you can change the text spacing, page color, or even have World 2019 read you your text aloud. Now, कैसे start करेंगे? Click on Start button. Click on All Apps. Now you have to scroll to the app जब तक आप पहुंच नहीं जाते किस पे, वर्ल्ड पे। और इजी है बच्चों, सबसे इजी क्या तरीका, सबसे इजी तरीका आपका है कि आप डायरेक्ट ही सर्च बटन पर टिक कर सकते हैं, सॉरी डायरेक्ट ही सर्च बटन पर आप क्लिक करके सर्च कर सकते हैं एमएस वर्ल्ड, तो आपको तुरंत ही एमएस वर्ल्ड दिखाई दे जाएगा उसका ऑप्शन। नाउ द वर्ल्ड 2019 विंडो विल अपीयर ऑन द स्क्रीन। फोर्थ, क्लिक ऑन द ब्लैंक डॉक्यूमेंट, ब्लैंक डॉक्यूमेंट पे क्लिक कीजिए एंड एम्प्टी डॉक्यूमेंट टाइटल डॉक्यूमेंट 1 विल अपीयर। Now what we have to do, we have to explore the world 2019 environment. Exploring the world 2019 environment. Now let us explore the world 2019 window. What we have to do, quick access toolbar, ribbon tab, tell me what you want to do, title bar, program, control buttons, file tab, insertion point, ribbon, workspace, vertical scroll bar, status bar, view bar, then zoom slider. Here you can see so many icons are given to you. Now, here we have title bar. Title bar, why we use? So title bar section has window control at right hand and blank document open with default file name or document. Here we have InfoSol, Open Office Writer, Corel World Perfect and Apple Pages. They are some of the popular word processing software. Now, क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, इसमें क्या होता है, हम क्विक एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार ये लोकेटेड है लेफ्ट ऑफ द टाइटल बार और ये कंटेन करता है फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज कमांड एंड कैन बी कस्टमाइज यूजिंग द इमेज ऑफ quick access toolbar drop down menu. Now what you can do, you can point to each small icon to view its screen tip. Now let us customize the quick access toolbar. कैसे करेंगे? We have to first click on customize access toolbar toolbar button. Second, click new on the menu and see the command get added to quick access toolbar. Third, click the customize quick access toolbar button again and click show below the ribbon. Click show above the ribbon to move the quick access toolbar back again. Then we have ribbon. The ribbon, it contains all the tools that you see to interact with your Microsoft Word file. It is located towards the top of Windows underneath the title bar. The ribbon has number of tabs and each of which contain buttons which are organized into groups. Now they are mainly two types of tabs on the ribbon, active tab and contextual tab. Now fun tasks क्या है? Fun task है आपके लिए. Try clicking on all tabs to view their buttons. Now do not click the file tab yet and then return to the home tab. So try to do this fun task. Then we have active tab. So by default, World 2019 opens with the home tab active on the ribbon. And the active tab, it has white background and blue letters, and the inactive tabs, it have the opposite. Then we have contextual tab. So इसमें क्या होता है? Contextual tab में क्या होता है? It appears when certain objects such as images and text boxes they are selected and they contain additional option for modifying the object. Now contextual tab stands कैसे stand करता है? Stand out because क्या है? There are darker in color and are located where right of all the other tabs. Then we have InfoSole. So ribbon display option button provide करती है what? Option that will hide the ribbon from view. The main benefit to this is that it allows your document to take up more screen. When you can locate and click on the ribbon display option button to the left of the window control buttons, three options will appear. Workspace, under the ribbon is the workspace. Ribbon के नीचे workspace है. Workspace पे बच्चों you can see the rulers and margin setting, the scroll bar on the right side on the screen, and then the blinking cursor insertion point, which is where new input will display when entered. उसके बाद आपको status bar दिखाई देगा. Status bar located below the document window area, and the left end of the bar displays a variety of information about the document, such as the page number, how many how many total words are in documents, document में total कितने words हैं, and whether there are any spelling error, क्या उनमें कोई spelling error है कि नहीं. Then we have InfoSole for you. Most of the world speak different languages. So Microsoft Office, its suite now includes the translator feature in Microsoft Office 2019 version. Now you can translate the text into your preferred language very easily. क्या कर सकते हैं? To translate the text into another language, हमें जाना है review tab पे. Click on the translate button. A drop down list will appear. Now आपको click करना है select document translation language and the translator pane will appear on the right side. आपको document पे click करना है. Now you have to select the preferred language. जो भी आपको language select करनी है वो आप select कीजिए. Then you have to click on the translate button and the next is document will change. जो document में text होगा वो change हो जाएगा. View button, right and our shortcuts to different views are available. Now each view ये display करता है the document in different way, so allowing you to carry out various tasks more efficiently. Then we have zoom slider. At the right end of the status bar is the zoom slider. ये allow करता है to adjust how large the document is displayed on the screen. Now creating a document and saving it. कैसे document हम create करेंगे और कैसे इसे save करेंगे. When Word 2019 opens, it will display a blank document ready for you to type in. Now the words that you type and formatting that you use become your document. Now let's create document. क्या करेंगे? Number one, you have to open Word 2019. You will see क्या करेंगे? Number one, open the Word 2019. What you will see the blinking cursor on the workspace. Now you have to start typing in the document. जो भी आपको type करना हो, as you start typing, cursor will move towards the right side. Now each document जो हम create करेंगे is temporary unless you save it as a file with a unique name or location. कैसे save करेंगे file को? Click on the file tab at the left corner of the Word 2019 screen and the backstage view will appear. Now click on the save button and save as window appear होगी on the screen. Then what you have to do? Third point, type the name of the document in the file name box and you can name the file as you want. Now click on the save button. अब क्या होगा? Your document will be saved and your Word 2019 window will still be open, but notice the title bar will now show the name of pavankumar.docx. ये इसका file extension name है. Then we have InfoSole. बच्चों हमेशा save as use करना चाहिए instead of save. The first time to save a file because you need to tell the computer where to put the file. Now save assumes you have saved it before. Okay? So हमेशा save as पे click करना चाहिए. Opening a file, making change and saving strategies. So the purpose of saving a file is bring it back later, and that is what you are about to do. What you have to do, click on the file tab, then open it, then browse it, then open dialogs box. Now dialogs box बच्चों खुलेगा, appear होगा screen पे. Select the file from where you have to save it. Then you have to click open button. The selected document will get open on the screen. Make the changes in document tab that you require. Then click on the file tab. It Click on the save button to save the document. Now what you have to do, you have to close the document by clicking on the close button from the file tab menu, and you can close the document by clicking on the cross button at the right corner on the screen. Note क्या है बच्चों आपके लिए? Note that save as dialogs box will not appear because World 2019 already has a name and a location for the file. That's all about this chapter. What you have to do, you have to revise, reboot, summarizing point from the chapter, learn all the tough spellings and learn all the process how we are going to access World 2019. That's all for today. Revise the chapter properly and I'll be seeing you in another computer class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.